Hello everybody. Now for part 2 about Wolfram Alpha, I'm going to talk about some applications for industrial engineering, just very short 2 applications. So the first one is in operation research. I can solve simple operation research problems. So I can write max, for example, 3x1 plus 5x underscore 2, 3 or 2, and where x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 6, for example, and I can write x1 is larger or equal to 0 and x2 is larger or equal to 0. And if I press enter, it will find a solution at 0.6 because 6 has a higher coefficient. This is the first example, and this is about OR. Now the second example is about probability. You can find probability if you're dealing with normal or gamma or whatever distribution. Let's use the gamma distribution because it's not that famous. It's very complex. Gamma distribution scale equals 2.3 or 2.23 and shape 4.3 with a probability of x larger than 4. Okay, so this is the distribution and it gives us the probability which is larger than 4 and it's 0.92. One last example, normal distribution. So I'm just gonna change this to normal and mean 2 and STD is equal to 0.3. It's gonna be very high, but let's do it. Very small. So this is 4. 4 is very far, so I'm gonna go with 2.4, and it's 0.36 as you see. So these are simple examples you can apply for your daily calculations. Hope it's useful.